Dixon Technologies has been a stellar performer in the stock market with its share price skyrocketing by 1500% in just 5 years and delivering a 130% returns in the past 1 year alone. But the stock has fallen by 15% in the last 1 month. With a market cap of over 84,000 crores, Dixon has become a buzzword among investors. But is it still worth buying after the recent fall? Hello and welcome to our channel 5-Minute Finance by ET Money, where we talk about the basics of investing and personal finance. So given tremendously high returns, many stock market investors would have already invested in Dixon Technologies. But some may still be wondering whether to enter it after the recent fall in the last 1 month. So is it worth investing in this stock? Or for those who already hold this stock, should they continue holding it? In this video, we'll uncover 5 things that will help you make a decision. Okay, let's begin with what this company does. So Dixon is one of India's leading electronic manufacturing services, EMS companies. Simply put, they help big brands like Samsung, Panasonic, Xiaomi and many others manufacture their electronic products, from LED TVs to washing machines, mobile phones and even lighting products. Dixon handles large-scale production and assembly for some of the biggest names in the industry. The company boasts a highly diversified product portfolio that includes consumer electronics like LED TVs and washing machines, home appliances, lighting solutions, mobile phones and security devices. Notably, Dixon accounts for manufacturing over 40% of India's LED TVs. Additionally, they have ventured into cutting-edge segments such as wearable and Internet of Things, IoT devices, recently securing contracts with prominent brands such as Boat and Noise. So now that you know what Dixon does, let's dive into 5 unique and analytical things you need to know about this company. Dixon Technologies is a leading name in the EMS space in India. But you should know that India's EMS market is still underpenetrated compared to global standards. As per various brokerage reports, India's EMS market is at a nascent stage, contributing to only 3% of the global EMS market currently. But according to the Niti Aayog, the policy think tank of the Government of India, the Indian electronics manufacturing industry was valued at $155 billion in 2024. It is expected to grow at an annual growth rate of 21.5% to reach $500 billion by 2030. And well, Dixon Technologies is at the forefront of this expansion in electronics manufacturing thanks to the government's Make in India initiative and the PLI, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. Now, the Production Linked Incentive Scheme is a government program that offers financial incentives to companies that manufactures goods in India. Next, let's talk numbers. So over the past 5 years, Dixon Technologies has delivered phenomenal growth. Revenue has grown at a CAGR of over 40% and profits have kept pace with it. Look at your screen. So as we can see, DIIs hold 22.61% stake in Dixon. Top schemes like Nippon India Small Cap Fund, Kotak Emerging Equity Fund, HSBC Flexi Cap Fund hold more than 1% stake in the company. Now let's look at the data mutual fund portfolio wise. So many passive funds as well as prominent active funds like Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund have invested in this stock. The percentage figures on your screen show how much of the total portfolio of the scheme is invested in this stock. Now many funds following momentum style of investing have also invested in it. Similarly, you can find the complete list of mutual funds invested in Dixon Technologies on the ET Money app. You can also find which funds invested in this stock for the first time and which ones have exited fully from it on the app. Well, no doubt, investors are impressed by the company's performance and are thus ready to pay more. The stock is overvalued is evident from its price to earnings ratio. Price to earnings ratio shows how much price an investor is willing to pay to get 1 rupee earning from the share. So the data on your screen shows how Dixon Technologies PE ratio is way higher than that of its competitors, indicating market confidence, but also suggesting that it's considered overvalued in comparison to others. But the return on capital employed, a ratio that measures a company's profitability and the efficiency with which its capital is employed, is also considerably higher than its peers. Of course, no company is without its challenges, and it's important to know the risks before investing. One major challenge for Dixon is its dependence on external brands. While they are an EMS giant, they don't sell their own products, which means their growth is tied to the success of their clients. Any slowdown in demand from these brands could impact its revenues. Another risk is competition, both domestic and international. As India's EMS sector grows, more players could enter the market, squeezing margins. Additionally, global supply chain disruptions such as chip shortages can impact their ability to deliver. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. So from market leadership to its stellar financial growth and unique position in India's EMS sector, Dixon is undoubtedly a company with immense potential. Nonetheless, the valuation of Dixon remains high. But as with any investment, it is crucial to assess the company's fundamentals, including its financial performance, corporate governance practices, and growth prospects, rather than relying solely on hype to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and share button. Let us know in the comments what you think about Dixon Technologies. Are you planning to invest, or do you already own this stock? See you in the next video. Happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.